Happy morning, children. Hope you all doing good and safe. Today you are going to work on activities. This will help you out to get more strong on clicking, selecting and drag and drop. Come, let's get into the class now. Children, you all familiar with the Play Store. Click on the Play Store from your mobile screen and in the search box type coloring and learn. You can see the list of app in the group. Select coloring and learn and install the same app in your mobile phone. After installing the app, children, come to your mobile screen by clicking back button. You can see the symbol of the installed app. Click, children. Click on play button. The app gets open now. You can see list of activities here. Coloring book and glow for drawing and coloring. Just click and see, children, coloring book. Under coloring book, you can see list of books. Each books are categorized. The books are categorized. Each book has collection of pictures. Here you can see the previous and next button. The previous button says that there are still books available after dinosaurs, and the next button says that still there are book after dinosaurs book. Just to move and see, children, select any one of the book, then you can find a collection of pictures, the professions. Okay, select any one of the profession and start applying the color. You all familiar with the tools, that is, to the left side you can see the coloring tools. By clicking the bucket you can change the tools. To the right side you can find close button, sticker, undo, delete, and you can take the snap by using this camera icon. You can share with your friends. Okay, children, hope you all familiar with the tools. Start giving color, children, and share with your friends. Let's move on to next activity. Click close button and come out from the screen, children. The close button help you out to close the current screen or window. The next one, glow. Click glow and start drawing or coloring your pictures. Let's start to next one, pixel art. Click, children. You can again see the similar tools. The tools are given here. It is also for same purpose. The extra tool is question mark, that is helping tool. Okay, here in the preview, in the sample area, you can find a collection of pixel art. You can select any one of the pixel art and bring the same image, same pixel art to the right canvas. Is that clear, children? Select any one of it and start creating your pixels. Now I'm going to select the house. Select a color, children. The next one, click and drag. Again select click and drag, children. Click and drag. Click and drag. Okay, I'm going to choose red. Click and drag, children. Click and dragging. Now I'm going to change to yellow. Just make click and drag, children. Okay, click and drag. Okay, I'm going to change to blue. Then we'll change to green. Once you complete the correct pixel art, you will get a clap. Next we'll move on to next activity. See. Click and see, children. You can create your own sea fish by clicking and dragging. Here you can get more practice on clicking and dragging. Is that clear, children? Let's move on to next activity. Train driver. Here you can see some of the parts are missing. The missing parts are given to the right side. Just place the correct part in the correct place. You will get a star, children. Click and drop it. When you place correct part in the correct place, you will get a star. Click and drop it, children. Once you complete fully, you will get the train gets started. Let's move on to next one. That is learn to add and learn to subtract. This both are arithmetic operations. This will help you out when you study algorithm and computer programming languages in the classroom. Now we are going to see two arithmetic operations, that is add and subtract. Click and see, children, what is inside. So tell me the answer. The answers are given to the right side. What is the answer here? Okay, children, let's move on to next one. Subtract. Click on it. So again, tell me the answer here, children. Okay, very good. Let's move on to next activity. That is comparison. Comparison also most important while learning and studying algorithm and computer programming languages. Here you are going to learn a basic operators. Okay, click and see, children. The basic operators are greater, equal and lesser. Okay, now tell me the answer here, children.
2 is less than 6.
When you give correct answer, you can get the star on top of it. Okay, so tell me again, what is the answer here?
15 is greater than 4.
Okay, children, the next one.
14 is greater than 1.
Very good, children. Let's move on to next activity. That is free mode. Inside the free mode, you can see collection of layouts. Okay, using the layout, you can create your own creations. You can develop birthday card, invitation card, and you can share with your friends. You're all familiar with the tools which is available in the screen to the left side and to the right side. Okay, children, apply your creation and share with your friends. Let's move on to next one. Click close button and come out from the screen. The next one, left and right. This is also very important, children, when you learn robot programming languages in the classroom. You must be familiar with the directions of the turtle head. Directions of the turtle head. You must clear on whether the turtle head direction is left side or right side. According to the direction, you have to take forward or backward. Here backward button is missing. When you study in the classroom, you can find the backward button. Now I'm going to ask the turtle head to take 2 steps forward. Click on it, children. Forward button. To achieve the checked box, now I'm going to take to left. Forward 1 step. I'm turning to right. Forward 4 steps. Okay, children. Now turn to right. Again I'm going to take forward one step. Very good, children. Now let's move on to next activity. Where is? Here you can improvise your concentration power. We can see the 3 levels: easy, medium, or very slower and faster. Okay, children, just go one by one and practice. You can get more practice on clicking and observation. Okay, children, tell me the answer. Very good. When you say correct answer, you will get a star. Observe and tell me which box has the ball. Very good, children. Very good. Let's move on to next one. Practice everything, children. We'll move on to next one. That is jigsaw puzzles. Here we can find 2 categories. 2 multiply 2 equal to 4 pieces and 3 multiply 3 equal to 9 pieces. So you try both. Let's try one by one. So the 4 pieces are given. Place the pieces in the correct place, children. Click and drop it. Click and drop it, children. Click and drop in the correct place. Very good. Try everything, children. Let's move on to next activity. Pop balloons. Here you are going to get practice on clicking. Also, you can learn the sounds of the animals and birds. Click and see, children. Okay, let's move on to the next activity. That is fantasy. Here also you are going to get practice on clicking and dragging. Okay, children. Just move on to next one. Aviator. Here you are going to get practice on clicking and dragging. By clicking and dragging, you are going to create a new aviator. Is that clear, children? Clicking and dragging. Let's close and come out from the screen. We'll move on to next one. Drum. Here also you are going to get practice on clicking. Use both hands and learn the music by clicking, children. Okay. Move on to next one. Learn to subtraction and comparisons are over. Just learning the colors. You can learn the colors in different languages. Click and see the country flags are given here. Just to observe and learn the color. You all familiar? Just for funny you can learn the colors, children. Hope you all enjoyed the class, children. You have to get more practice on coloring the books, and you should familiar on the tools and the components of the tool, the components of the app. Just to keep practicing, children. And here the main thing is arithmetic operations and operators and left and right. These 4 things will help you out when you learn algorithm and computer programming languages. Just keep them in the mind, children, and go on practicing those activities. Okay. And the where is, jigsaw puzzles, the train driver, this will help you out to improvise your concentration power and clicking activities. Just practice, children. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Have a nice day. Thank you all.